Nutrition. Organisms require energy for the growth, development, and maintenance of the body. To get this energy, living beings take different types of food items which are called nutrient. 7 categories of nutrient. तो उसमें जो 7 कैटेगरी ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट है वो हो जाता है कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन, फैट, विटामिन, मिनरल्स, मिनरल सॉल्ट, वाटर एंड फाइबर। इसमें से जो इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं यानी इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स तो हो जाएंगे एनर्जी प्रोड्यूसर। तो एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस कौन करता है? तो कार्बोहाइड्रेट एंड फैट करता है। बिल्डिंग सब्सटेंस कौन हो जाता है? तो हम लोग प्रोटीन को कहते हैं बिल्डिंग सब्सटेंस। मेटाबॉलिक रेगुलेटर्स जो है वो कौन कौन से हैं? तो विटामिन, वाटर और मिनरल्स हैं। इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर कौन कौन है? तो मिनरल्स हैं और विटामिन है। अब इसका वन लाइनर देखेंगे हम लोग। प्रोटीन, हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ एमिनो एसिड मेकअप ऑफ प्रोटीन फाउंड इन ह्यूमन बॉडी? तो 20 टाइप्स के होते हैं एमिनो एसिड। प्रोटीन्स आर compounds of which substance? Right answer is amino acid. Which is the only nutrient that can build and repair body tissue? Right answer is protein. What types of protein is lentils? Right answer is albumin 16% रहता है, globulin 70%, glutenin 11% and prolamine 3%. What is the percentage of nitrogen present in protein? प्रोटीन में कितना परसेंटेज नाइट्रोजन प्रेजेंट होता है? तो 16% नाइट्रोजन होता है प्रोटीन में। विच वॉज द फर्स्ट प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल्स टू बी सिक्वेंस्ड? तो इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा इंसुलिन। सिल्क थ्रेड इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ प्रोटीन। Deficiency of which nutrient in human body slow down physical growth? Right answer is protein. Which nutrient are rich in peanuts? Right answer is protein, fat and fiber. The main component of muscle, bone, organ, skin and snail is? Right answer is protein. Which enzyme help in the digestion of protein? कौन सा एंजाइम जो होता है डाइजेशन में हेल्प करता है? तो राइट आंसर हो जाएगा ट्रिप्सिन, पेप्सिन और इप्सिन। इन विच organism most of the digestions and absorptions of food takes place in the human body? Right answer is small intestine. Which enzyme is helpful in digesting milk protein in infant? Right answer is renin. Which substance make up about 80% of the living matter of most creatures? Right answer is water. Milk contain calcium and potassium nutrients in addition to proteins and carbohydrate. In which part of the body is the proteins called alpha keratin found? Right answer हो जाएगा हेयर एंड स्किन। हेयर और स्किन में क्या प्रेजेंट मतलब किस टाइप का प्रोटीन प्रेजेंट होता है? तो वो अल्फा कैरेटिन। विच टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोटीन्स आर फाउंड इन व्हीट? राइट आंसर इज ग्लाइंडिन एंड ग्लूटिनिन। द कलर ऑफ मिल्क इज व्हाइट ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ, जो मिल्क का जो कलर व्हाइट होता है वो किसकी वजह से होता है? तो कैशिन प्रोटीन की वजह से होता है। काउ मिल्क इज प्ले येलो इन कलर ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ प्रोटीन कॉल्ड कैरोटीन। नेक्स्ट है कार्बोहाइड्रेट एंड फैट। Carbohydrates are the compound made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Fats are usually in the solid state at 20 degrees Celsius, but if they are in the liquid state at the temperature, they are called oils. What types of carbohydrate are triose, tetrose, pentose and hexose? इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा मोनोसेक्राइड। Saliva is helpful in the digestion of, saliva किसके डाइजेशन में हेल्पफुल है? तो वो हो जाएगा स्टार्च। How are carbohydrates stored in plant and animals? राइट आंसर हो जाएगा in the form of starch in plant and glycogen in animals. What percentage of carbohydrate are present in human according to the body weight? 1%. What are the two most abundant organic substances on earth? Cellulose and starch. Carbohydrate. What is pectin? Right answer is polysaccharide. इसको हम लोग कार्बोहाइड्रेट भी बोलते हैं। What types of carbohydrate in fructose? तो monosaccharide. What types of sugar is lactose disaccharide? Excess fat from the nutrient absorbed in the body is stored in two main compartments, subcutaneous under the skin and visceral around internal organ. Linseed is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acid. In comparison to meat, why is fish considered digestible and beneficial? Due to presence of polyunsaturated fatty acid. Which nutrient provides the most energy per gram? इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा फैट 9.3 कैलोग्राम. The fat present in the body under the skin act as barrier against the loss of body heat. Which is the most important fatty acid from human? Linoleic acid. Vegetable ghee is obtained from vegetable oil by the process of hydrogenation of saturated fat or oil. What are the fatty substances found in living organism called? Right answer is lipid. Which cell organelle stored fat in groundnut, mustard, etc.? Right answer is spherosome. Measure saturated and unsaturated fatty acid. Saturated fatty acid, uric acid, myristic acid, palmitic acid, stearic acid, etc. और unsaturated fatty acid कौन सा हो जाएगा? तो palmitoleic acid, oleic acid, linoleic acid, arachidonic acid. विटामिन सब देखेंगे हम लोग। विटामिन्स आर ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स एंड विटरल न्यूट्रिएंट दैट एन ऑर्गेनिज्म रिक्वायर फॉर ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट। हु फर्स्ट फॉर्मुलेटेड द कंसेप्ट ऑफ विटामिन? तो फंक ने किया था विटामिन का कंसेप्ट का जो पता लगा था वो फंक थे। विच विटामिन इज कंसिडर्ड एज अ हार्मोन? तो विटामिन डी। इन विच ऑर्गन विटामिन ए इज स्टोर्ड इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी? लिवर। विच फ्रूट्स कंटेन मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ विटामिन सी? तो प्लम्स, ककाडू प्लम्स। व्हाट इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन डी? तो विटामिन डी का मेन सोर्स क्या होता है? तो सनरे। सनरे से हम लोग को विटामिन डी प्राप्त होता है। What is the main source of vitamin D? तो sunray. Which vitamins are made in our body? तो vitamin D, vitamin B and vitamin K. Sorry, vitamin B3 and vitamin K. Which vitamins help in remembering a dream for a longer times? Right answer is vitamin B6. Deficiency of which vitamin cause scurvy? Right answer is vitamin C. Sensory dietary factory are related to vitamins. Vitamin K has a specific role in the synthesis of fibrinogen and prothrombin protein. Which nutrient was discovered by Casimir Funk? Right answer is vitamin B3, 1912. Which food are rich in vitamin A? Liver oil, sweet potato, carrot, spinach, etc. ये सब में क्या प्रेजेंट होता है? तो विटामिन ए. Vitamin A deficiency in human cause night blindness, loss of body growth and weight, corneal and skin related disease. Vitamin play an important role in the metabolic process and they protect the body from various diseases. What is the chemical name of vitamin B12? Cyanocobalamin. Which vitamin is found in citrus fruit? Vitamin C यानी कि ascorbic acid. Which vitamin is help in wound healing? Vitamin C. The disease called killosis is caused by deficiency of which vitamin? Vitamin B2. Riboflavin. Thiamine is the chemical name of which vitamin? Vitamin B1. Which vitamin is soluble in water? Vitamin B and C. Disease called pellagra and scurvy are caused due to the deficiency of which vitamin? Vitamin B3 and vitamin C respectively. What is the chemical name of vitamin D? Right answer is calciferol. Lack of vitamin D lead to calcium deficiency in the body. Which disease is caused by deficiency of vitamin D? Right answer is rickets. Vitamin K is required for blood clotting. Deficiency of which vitamin reduce the blood immune system and fertility? Right answer is vitamin D. Calciferol, which is an anti-infective vitamin. Right answer is vitamin A. In which vitamin is cobalt found? Vitamin B12. Cyanocobalamin. Which fruit is most used in the treatment of scurvy? Gooseberry. से क्या प्रेजेंट होता है? विटामिन सी, जो कि स्कर्वी को ठीक करता है. Which vitamin provide immunity to the body from disease? Right answer is vitamin C. Which vitamin is found in maximum quantity in the colostrum? Right answer is vitamin D. Colostrum in mammals is the milk fluid that is released from the breast after female give birth to babies. It is highly enriched with essential elements that strengthen the immune system of the newborn. What causes tetanus disease? तो इसका राइट आंसर हो जाएगा क्लोस्ट्रीडियम टिटेनी. किसके थ्रू होता है? बैक्टीरिया की वजह से होता है. What causes fatty liver? तो excessive intake of alcohol. Depression is caused by the deficiency of which vitamin? तो vitamin B12 and vitamin 6 की कमी से डिप्रेशन होता है. Apple have special value for heart patient because they are rich in potassium. Which vitamins are synthesized by intestinal bacteria? Right answer हो जाएगा B12 and vitamin K. Which vitamin is known as ergocalciferol? Right answer is vitamin D2. The common name of chloricalciferol is vitamin D. Right answer is vitamin D. Deficiency of which vitamin causes night blindness? Right answer is vitamin E. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of riboflavin? Right answer is anemia and cataract. Legumes are nutritious due to presence of protein, vitamin B and fiber. Which are the most essential constituent of diet? Right answer is protein and carbohydrate, minerals and salt. Milk is the main source of which nutrient? Right answer is calcium. Phosphorus maintain the balance between acidity and alkalinity in the body. Spinach leaf contain the highest amount of which nutrient? Right answer is iron. How many calories do a person get by drink a glass of water? Right answer is 0. The chemical name of vitamin K is fluoquinone, whose function is to coagulate the blood and from prothrombin in the liver. Excessive yellowing of teeth is a symbol of which disease? Fluorosis. Which disease is caused by consuming mustard oil mixed with argyomondrophis edema इसको कहते हैं. Which oil is most suitable for human health? Extra virgin olive oil, EVOO इसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में बोला जाता है. हम लोग देखेंगे बैलेंस डाइट. A balanced diet should have the ratio of carbohydrate, protein, fats as the 60:20:20. How much fat should be in a balanced diet? 20 to 35%. What should be the appropriate daily amount of the protein for a normal functioning human? About 50 to 60 grams. A lactating mother needs about 70 grams of protein per day in the diet.